Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've decided to do a makeup tutorial for you guys, but as you can see, I already did my eyebrows. I may fix them a little bit later, and I also put some foundation on, and I'm actually rushing because I'm going out, so I want to make this tutorial really short. That's why I did my eyebrows and my makeup and my foundation. And I'm gonna start off by using this Mattiful palette, and I ordered this from Amazon. It's so pretty, guys. The colors are so beautiful in here. Look at all those colors, but I'm gonna start off using this neutral color right here all over my eyelid. And also, guys, I'm not gonna be talking in this video because my microphone is kind of messed up, so this might sound weird to you guys. So I'm just gonna do my makeup, and I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right into the video.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days.